If your Tucson key fob's as silent as a rock, you're not alone. Let's find out what's going on and get you moving again. First, check if the key fob battery is dead. Most key fob issues come from a weak or drained battery. Just pop it open. Usually you'll need a small screwdriver, and replace the battery with a new one. Still not working? Make sure you're standing close enough to your car. Most fobs only work within a short range. If you're too far, the signal might not reach. Next, check for interference. Things like cell phones, metal objects, or even other wireless devices can block the signal. Try moving away from crowds or large structures. If nothing changes, your key fob may need to be reprogrammed. Sometimes the connection between your fob and your car gets lost, especially after battery changes. You'll need to follow the steps in your owner's manual, or ask your local Hyundai dealer for help. Lastly, if none of these work, the issue might be with the car itself. There could be a problem with the receiver inside your Tucson. Bottom line, start with the simple stuff, and if you're stuck, don't hesitate to get professional help. Getting back on the road can be easier than you think.